In this video we're going to look at the Irish verb bain. This means to take, but it could also mean to cut or to win. Bain. You may also see this in its bare form, so by that I mean the following phrases. Bain sultas. This means enjoy or have fun. Bain sultas. It literally means take enjoyment from. The other phrase here, bain trilas. Bain trilas. This means have a go or have a try. Literally, take a try from it. Bain trilas. Let's have a look at the past, present and future tenses of this useful verb now. So, bhín mé is I took. Bhín mé, that's the past tense. B'nim is I take, present tense. B'nim. And b'nhí mé is I will take, that's the future tense. B'nhí mé. You may also see this useful little phrase come up every now and then. Ag baint leis. Ag baint leis. This means to be connected with or associated with something. Ag baint leis. Tá dríocht ag baint leis an gcathair. The city has a magical atmosphere. Tá dríocht ag baint leis an gcathair. This literally means there's magic attached with or connected with the city. Let's have a look at some phrases now in the past, present and future tense that's going to help you understand this verb a little better. Bhín mé gach rud as na málaí. I unpacked the bags. Bhín mé gach rud as na málaí. It literally means I took everything from the bags. B'aineann sí le ré eile. She belongs to another era. B'aineann sí le ré eile. B'nhí mé trilas. I'll give it a try, or I'll give it a go. B'nhí mé trial as. If you would like to learn more about some Irish verbs, I will leave some links down below in the description. So, thank you for watching, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Slán go fóill.